Kados, everybody, come on. Hey, Kados, hey, Kados, 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 is the Lamb of God. Is the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He alone is worthy, say. He alone is worthy of all. Come on, one more time, say Kados, 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 hey, Kados, Kados,
All right, so this morning I'm at DVLA Achimota. I came to work on my Roadworthy to renew it. The Roadworthy is a yearly certificate that every car is required to have in addition to insurance, and it's for a period of exactly 1 year. So mine will expire tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Saturday. I prefer doing it on a Friday today, and it will last me 1 year. So this time I decided to come and do it myself, and of course bring you along so that you see how it works and then make a video out of it. It's YouTube not about sharing. So this morning I'm sharing the information with you, and I hope it helps somebody. If it helps and you like it, even if you don't subscribe, I would appreciate if you subscribe. But if you don't subscribe, at least like and leave a comment below. Alright, so come along as we go through the steps involved. And so it's 7:24. I should have come quite earlier on. According to Google Maps, we start at 7. But I'm here to see how long it will take me to roll up. Okay, so apparently the steps are quite easy. You park your car, they give your car a number, and then you take the number inside, and then you take your details and your car keys. You test your car. When the results are ready, you use the number given to you to get your roadworthy book, your vehicle registration book, and then with the vehicle registration book you make payment. I paid 160. When I asked somebody to help me do it, he said 300 cedis. So when I came myself, it's 160 cedis. It's quite a difference. It's not bad if you want to do it yourself. And so after payment, you hand over the payment receipt along with the VRC, which is the vehicle registration booklet, to them, and then they get your sticker and your print. So I'm waiting for my sticker and my print, and so I don't know how long it will take, but I've seen a lot of people get out with their cars, so it doesn't take long. I'm thinking maybe by 10 minutes I should be out of here. And so that's it. It's an amazing day, wonderful day.
Is the Lamb of God who sits upon the throne. He alone is worthy. He alone is worthy. He alone is worthy. He alone is worthy.
Song number 20, so I have to wait. They just texted the car and they brought it, and so now I'm waiting for my turn to pay, and then from there I should be able to run away. So you can see all the cars that came, they've all been driven through the special area where the cars are tested. That's on the far left, and so these are the few ones left that are still queuing. Everybody's inside waiting to pay or pay. Okay, so I just got my document and I'm ready to roll. It's been amazing. Okay, so I came here around 7:30. It's now 8:30. It's 1 hour. I think because of the date and time I came, but I think technically if you come quite early, it's fine for that price, and the service is good. It's now going faster because most of the employees are now showing up and picking up on their work. But it was a nice experience. I really like it. Now, if you like this video, subscribe and make sure to like it. You are not forced to subscribe, but at least like it. It tells me you like what you're seeing and you get one or two information from it. So that was it. So this is what the document looks like, and then the booklet, that's the vehicle registration certificate, so VRC, vehicle registration certificate. So I got my sticker on top, and then it's clear, you can see it's original because of the stickers and everything. It did cost me 160 Ghana cedis as per the receipt, and my book has been stamped and signed, and I passed the test. I have the test results. Perhaps maybe I will scan it and then add it to the video or not, but I think it's also nice to do another video on what it means and what it's the impact of what you get in your results, the testing results from the car. And so until we meet again for another adventure, it was my pleasure to take you along this adventure, and see you later in other adventures. All right, there are other videos in the link below. You can check the ones you like and then subscribe and join. Nice day. Bye.